In this video, I will show you how you can fix the Bluetooth not finding devices problem on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now, if you're unable to find your Bluetooth device in the Bluetooth settings on your Samsung phone, now to fix this issue, first of all, just grab your Bluetooth device and check if it is fully charged or not. If your Bluetooth device is out of charge, then just plug your Bluetooth device into charge and leave it plugged into charge for 20 to 30 minutes. After that, just plug it off and turn the Bluetooth device on. Now, after you've made sure that your Bluetooth device is turned on, then just check if there is any pairing mode button or not. If you're using a Bluetooth headphone or a speaker, these devices usually have a button for pairing mode. So just check if your device has pairing mode option or not. If it has, just enter it into pairing mode. After that, just go to settings on your Samsung phone, then tap on connections, and just tap on Bluetooth, and make sure that Bluetooth is turned on your Samsung phone. After that, just tap on scan. Now under available devices, you will find the signal of your Bluetooth device. After that, just tap on the signal of your Bluetooth device and select pair. And you will pair your Samsung phone with your Bluetooth device, just like that. Now if you have done that, but if your issue is still not fixed, then in that case, just go back to the main settings page. Now just scroll down and tap on apps. Under the apps section, just tap on the three lines over here and enable show system apps. Tap on OK. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now just tap on Bluetooth. And under the Bluetooth settings, then just scroll down and tap on storage. And after that, just tap on clear cache and clear data to clear all the cache files and the data from your Bluetooth settings. Now if these settings are grayed out, then just go back to the main settings page and tap on General Management. From here, just tap on Reset. Now on this page, you will find the option for Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Now just tap on Reset Settings. Now after you do that, you'll reset all the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings of your Samsung phone. Now do not worry, you will not delete any data from your Samsung phone. You'll just reset all the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth related settings, including the Wi-Fi passwords and all the Bluetooth devices which are paired with your Samsung phone. Now after you've done that, now just reset your Bluetooth device if you have the option. Now if you're using a Bluetooth speaker or a headphone, these devices usually have a reset option, but if your device does not have a reset option, then just turn it off, then turn it back on. After that, just enter your device into pairing mode, then just go back to the connection settings, tap on Bluetooth. Now over here, just tap on scan, and under available devices, you will find the signal of your Bluetooth device. Then just tap on it and select pair. And by doing that, you will connect your Bluetooth device with your Samsung phone. But for example, if this method also did not work, then the last thing you can do is just go to your home screen and open the control center. Just tap on the power icon and select restart. Now just restart your Samsung phone. And once your Samsung phone finishes restarting, just turn off your Bluetooth device. And if you have the option to reset your Bluetooth device, just reset it. Now after you reset your Bluetooth device, just turn it back on and enter it into pairing mode. After you enter it into pairing mode, then as I have shown you earlier, just go back to the settings, tap on connections, and go back to the Bluetooth settings, and you will find your Bluetooth device over here. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.